What up out there, Dirt Junkie Nation? Doing a little review on the ORB trailing arms for the Pro XP. They came the other day. These things are crazy. Way great quality. Made here in the USA. They got some really nice heims. Really ridiculous how good these things are made. Compared to the stock one. I bent it. But I wanted to do a review on these, and I also wanted to measure and see what we had here. So you can see at the sway bar we got about 11 3/4 on the stock side, and on the ORB side we have about 13 1/4. So got a little bit more ground clearance, definitely beefier. Kind of sweet that they ran the brake line down the center. Everything looks beefy. I'm gonna get the other side on. Had to order a new shot guard. I cut it off because the Super ATV ones that I ordered, I just wasn't happy with them at all, so I sent them back. ORB, man, this is awesome. If you like what you see, definitely like, subscribe, and share. I've been a little lazy on getting my videos out there, the quality and editing. I do apologize. I became an entrepreneur and doing a few different business ventures, and it's taken up a lot of my time. So I enjoy the sport. I enjoy watching your guys' videos when I have time, and have a good one.